Major Arya, you have Shabnam Lone actually saying, why was he killed? He could have been put away. It could be argued that that could have been tactically smarter. You could have arrested this man, put him away in jail in the legal system rather than bring on this crisis, in a sense, on the valley. You have written an open letter to Burhan Wani, which basically says the day you started, I'm just reading from it, the day you started with your social media blitzkrieg, you were a dead man. You're talking about Burhan Wani.
Yes.
And you've also said in the end, when you choose to fight against the Indian army, know this, they will kill you. In between, you talk about how basically the separatists have done nothing for the Kashmiri people.
Yes.
And in a way, you've said the Hurriyat feeds on the blood of men and send young Kashmiris to face the army. That it's young boys like Burhan Wani who've been scapegoated by the separatist sentiment. That's
Yes.
your argument.
Yes.
What do you make of everything you've heard so far, Gaurav?
I don't agree. Burhan Wani was the local leader, the head of the Hizbul Mujahideen.
Yes.
This is a designated terrorist organization.
Yes.
When Burhan Wani went on social media, when he told people through Facebook that you should ambush and kill security personnel, including the Indian army,
Yeah.
what did he expect in return? There is no arrest for such people. That is number one. Number two, for any other crime that you commit in India, in this state, there is a legal process. And the legal process, the punishment can be from prison to death, whatever. But this is treason. You cannot pick up arms against India and then expect to survive.
But may I just give you a counter argument?
Yes.
We have actually negotiated with the Nagas.
Yes.
We have convinced them to come to the dialogue table.
Yes.
It has been one of the most vaunted achievements, in fact, the Naga Accord of the Modi government.
Yes.
We have in the past negotiated with the Hizbul Mujahideen. Sorry, Shabnam, you're saying what? Lal Dinga, yes. So there are precedents in the past where you do persuade.
Major saying?
So
Yes. So Barkha, the thing is that, yes, you do persuade people, but operations do not stop. Security operations do not stop.
what made you write this letter?
I wrote this letter because suddenly I found out that I was very surprised that the entire mass population, on whatever the sentiments the lady said, I agree. Okay, fine. That is the situation on ground. But this person belongs to a designated terror outfit. You have people worshipping him. You have lakhs of people saying that Burhan Wani has died. They're making him out to be a hero. He's no hero. He's a terrorist. And we shot him.
So
And-
you're saying he signed up for his death the day he joined the Hizbul Mujahideen?
And so did his successor. I've written another Facebook post today. His successor.